Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Come on, let us do Naukasana today. Boat pose. Lay down on back. Keep your back straight and lift your chest with legs raised to about 45 degrees. It is a powerful yoga posture that primarily strengthens the abdominal muscles, improves digestion, and reduces back or hip tension. Regular practice tones core muscles, aids in weight loss, and the waist boosts stamina, enhances posture, and helps manage stress. Please avoid this pose if you have serious back pain or high blood pressure. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.